how you market your service or digital products online. So, paano ko nga ba minamarket yung aking services and digital products online? So, as you can see guys, wala po akong ginagawang magic dito. This is pure effort, lalo-lalo na sa paggawa ng mga contents. Yes guys, I invested my time and effort to create valuable content, lalong-lalo na sa aking YouTube channel. And YouTube channel is one of my best platform that generates traffic to my services and digital product business. So, dito na kasi papasok yung content marketing natin. Hindi lang din tayo pwede na basta-basta na lang na mapopost ng mga contents natin online. Dapat yung mga content na pinopost natin ay hindi lang valuable, hindi lang na makatulong sa ibang tao, but also they must have their own goals and purpose kung bakit yun ang ginawa nating content. And then from that, saan ba natin dadalhin yung mga audience natin once na napanood nila yung content natin. And it is very important then to stay consistent sa paggawa ng mga content mo online. It will not only help the algorithm na mas i-promote yung mga content mo, but also as a content creator, as a digital product business owner, or a service provider, it will help you to gain confidence sa paggawa ng mga content, lalo na sa video. I hope that these tips ay nakatulong sa iyo to promote your services and digital products online. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts.